Verdon's class here with us. Everyone say hi!
Hi!
We are so excited. So I obviously couldn't be with you guys today, but I wanted you to get to do all the fun things because we're playing so many different games, and I didn't want you guys to miss out just because Miss Hasty hit us up. So we're doing something kind of special, and I'm going to record this whole lesson with Miss Verdon's class, kind of as your example, and you guys are going to get to go through the whole thing, and I'm so excited. So, second grade, read our I can statement with me. It's going to start like this.
I can identify so, la, and me.
I can identify so, la, and me. Excellent, friends. All right, let's review our rules. The first one is crisscross.
We say crisscross applesauce.
The second one is don't
Touch the instrument.
The third one is
Listen always.
the fourth one is raise your hand.
If you want to speak,
And the last one is
participate with everyone.
If we do those things, of course, Miss Lisa's class, unfortunately, your sub does not have the wheel, but that's okay because what she'll do is she'll just move you on the Bravo board twice. But if you do those things, we get to spin Miss Hasty's random wheel of rewards. All right, I have a question for you. Raise your hand if you can answer. Are So and Me next door neighbors? Bryce.
No, because they have a line.
That's right, they're both on the lines. And if they're both on the lines, line, what's in between them? Raise your hand if you know. Yes, Juliana.
Space.
Juliana, thanks for raising your hand. You're absolutely right, a space. Does anyone remember, if this is really hard, where law is?
Oh, yes.
Kerrigan.
Behind me.
She said behind me, so like right here?
No.
Right here?
Yellow house.
Oh, the yellow house. Oh, so you mean past so, right? Raise your hand if you agree with her. That's a few people. All right, raise your hand when you think I'm on Law's house.
No.
Obviously not here. Obviously not here. Okay, so no one thinks it's below me. That's good. Are you ready to see where it is? Drum roll, please. It's in the yellow house. Kerrigan was right. So Law, is it higher or lower than So and Me? Higher. Repeat after me. So, La, So, Mi.
So, la, so, mi.
So, La, So, Mi.
So, la, so, mi.
Mi, La, So.
Mi, la, so.
So, mi, so.
So, mi, so.
That was excellent repeating, boys and girls. I bet Miss Leisha's class sounded awesome, too. All right, so I wanted to remind us of that because all of our games today revolve around So, La, and Me. Our first game is called Bingo. Everyone say bingo.
Bingo!
Some of you, signal please. Some of you may have played bingo before. Here's how you're going to play bingo. We all are going to have our own separate bingo sheet with a dry erase marker. There might not be enough dry erase markers. We might have to share, okay? But what you're going to do is your goal is to get 3 of these marked off in a row. So if Miss Hasty sings it, you're going to put an X on it. And that means that one of those is checked off. So examples of 3 in a row are down. Would this be a row or a column?
A column.
That's right. Another example would be this. What would this be?
A row.
But here's what's kind of cool. Another example
Is that?
is diagonal. Everyone say diagonal.
Diagonal. Get my brother with that in tic-tac-toe.
That's awesome, Bryce. Yeah, diagonal is a little tricky. So you can have a column, a row, or diagonal. Can it be any column?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can it be any row?
Yes.
However, would this be one?
No.
No. Would this be one?
No.
No, that's not 3 in a row. Once I sing it, you're going to mark it off. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, Miss Hasty has a bingo sheet for everyone, as well as dry erase markers. Don't pass them out yet. I'm going to say a chant, and like I said, there might not be enough dry erase markers, which means we may have to share. Everyone say share.
Share.
All right. Don't touch it yet, friends. That's making noise that the video picks up, and we don't want to disturb them. All right, so here's what you're going to do. First of all, just like we do, usually we do a competition with a number race to see who can pass it down fastest. We're not doing that today. Instead, what we're doing is we're saying a chant and passing it down. In Miss Leach's class, you're going to do the exact same thing. All right? So everyone's going to grab one sheet and pass it all the way down. Not yet. But then when you pass it, everyone should have one bingo card. Does that make sense?
Yes.
When we're done, we'll pass our markers. Ready, set, and here we go. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. Thanks for joining me, Kerrigan. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. If you finish the bingo cards, pass out the markers. Ready, go. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. Pass, pass, pass it down. Pass it all around. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Does anyone have leftover markers in their bucket? There we go. Did anyone not get a marker? Oh, Jace, you need one. Alrighty. Ilion. Jace. Alright. Oh, you didn't get a marker? If your marker doesn't work, I'm sorry, you're going to need to share with the person next to you. Yes, Bryce? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Now that you have your sheet, we're just going to do an example round. Let's say, here's what I want you to do. If you hear me sing what's on the paper, like if I were to sing, saw me, what would you do? Put in?
Yes.
All right, so let's practice. I'm just going to do one. And once you think you have it, put it in the air so I can see. This will be our practice round before we get started. Let's see. I'm going to sing. And this one up here does not match the one on your board, so you have to look at your board. In fact, I'm going to take it down. You have to look at your card to find it. Mi. Once you think you found it and X'd it off, put it above your head. Whoa, Kerrigan's already finished. Mi. It's an L. Like this little guy, that's an L.
It's
Mi. Way to go, Mason. That's too much Xing, friend. Mi. Oh, I'm seeing you guys are good at this. Alright, you know what? I don't even want to use that as a practice round because you guys did so good. I'm going to keep that one. Alright, you ready for me to sing the next one?
Yeah.
Should you color in the whole thing?
No.
No, you should only make an Nabiha.
Because of markers.
Only make an X because otherwise the sheet protectors could get ruined. Alright, here's the next one. Mi.
So what?
Mi. I'll sing each one 3 times every time.
Sing.
Mi.
Oh, bingo. No.
You can't have bingo yet. We've only sung two of them, friend.
Oh, we almost have 2.
We've only sung 2. So you shouldn't have that middle one marked off. Just the bottom. All right, I'm gonna sing the next one. Let's do this one. Here we go. You ready? Mi, sol, la, sol. Bingo.
Bingo. Oh. Wait, what?
Mi,
Bingo.
sol, la, sol.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Yeah. Bingo. I don't have this.
Oh, look for the next one. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2,
Oh, that means we should be on a voice level. 0. Because otherwise Miss Leach's class can't hear. Thank you, friends. I will point out, I'm so sorry. The one that says me so lasso is very light. It's hard to see, okay? So if you didn't feel it, or if you didn't see it, that's why. Raise your card if you got bingo. Whoa, that's awesome. Everyone erase. We're going to play again. 5,
Easily.
4, 3, 2, 1. Mi, so, mi. Remember, I sing it 3 times. I love that Anastasia echoed me. That was really cool. Mi, so, mi. okay? Because there's one that looks a lot like it. So, mi, la, so. So, mi, la, so. Last time. So, mi, la, so.
Got it. I got it. Got it. It's right here. And then
I don't know if you can drive it that way.
Last one. Let's see if anyone gets bingo with this one. I want to do. Ooh, let's do this one. So, mi, mi.
Oh, come on.
Everyone, there. You never do not have a card. It is on there if you look. So, mi, mi.
I just needed one more.
Last time.
I can do it two ways.
So, mi, mi. Bingo. Raise your card loud and proud if you got bingo.
Oh my god.
Wow. Let's do one more to see if even more people can get bingo.
I just got bingo.
5,
I could have won 2.
4,
Oh wait.
3. Wow, Hayden, thanks for your leadership. 2, 1, 0. All right, I'm gonna sing. So, la, mi, mi.
Oh,
So, la, mi, mi. Last time. So, la, mi, mi. That was good singing. Second one. Here we go. Mi, so, mi, so.
Oh, found it.
Mi, so, mi, so. Thanks, Anastasia, for your leadership. Mi, so, mi, so. I'm moving to the next one. All right, last one. So, mi, la, so. So, mi, la, so. So, mi, la, so. I don't see anyone who has bingo, so we need to do another one. Don't erase. Do not erase, because we are keeping going. All right. Mi, so, mi. Oh, bingo! Mi, so,
bad luck.
Ready to rock? Ready to roll. I love that you guys have bingo, but just in case Miss Leach's class can't hear, I'm going to sing it one more time. Mi, so, mi. Put your card in the air if you got it. Wow, you guys blow me away. And down. Everybody erase.
I did it.
Raise your hand if you want to play one more time. All right, last time. You ready?